Hey there, Smartsheet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to make your workflow smoother. Today, we're tackling a common headache: how to unhide columns in Smartsheet for 2025. Whether you're managing a project, tracking tasks, or organizing data, hidden columns can sneak up on you and disrupt your flow. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have the right sheet open. Smartsheet is all about flexibility, so you'll want to start by identifying where your columns are hidden. Look for those telltale indicators, like a gap between visible columns or a faint outline. It's Smartsheet's way of hinting at what's tucked away. Step 1. Click on the column header to the right of the hidden section. This selects the area and gives you access to the Options menu. Next, right-click on that header, and from the drop-down menu, look for Column Visibility, or Unhide Columns. If you're using the 2025 updated interface, you might see a new Visibility icon in the toolbar. Just hover over it and select Unhide. It's that straightforward. Once you select Unhide, Smartsheet will reveal the columns instantly. But here's a pro tip. If you have multiple hidden columns, you can unhide them all at once by dragging your selection across the affected area before right-clicking. This saves time, especially in larger sheets. Now, if things aren't working as expected, double-check your permissions. Sometimes, if you're viewing a shared sheet, you might need edit access to make changes. Also, remember to save your sheet after unhiding to avoid any surprises later. There you have it. Unhiding columns in Smartsheet is quick and easy, even with the 2025 updates. Give it a try on your next project, and let us know in the comments if this helped or if you have more Smartsheet questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.